I'm not the type who talks a lot, sells hard, or does long speeches. So in this video, I won't ask you to believe my words. I'll just show you what this app can actually do. JMAI Photoshop Lite. One click, no watermark, no subscription. First, the hero of this app. Quick Pose. Take a real person from your photo and let AI move them into a completely new pose and new scene. Change the angle, change the outfit, change the background. The AI adjusts pose, lighting, and composition for you. From casual portraits to dramatic action shots, Quick Pose turns one photo into many new images. So that's JMAI Photoshop Lite in action, a modular AI-powered playground built on Google AI Studio. If you want to see real results, not just promises, check the links in the description, watch the full demos, and test the app yourself. One click, no watermark, no subscription. I don't talk much. I just let the images speak for me.